So Jim Tech Bros, new case from Otterbox. This is the Don't Even Choi Brown. They've got lots of different colours in these and look pretty well indeed, and some of them are really fashionable looking and up with current trends. So this will work with your iPhone 14 Pro only. It's got synthetic rubber, polycarbonate, antimicrobial technology. You've got your 3 times drop military standard. You've got your raised edges, all that kind of stuff. 5G compatible materials, all that kind of stuff there. Works with wireless chargers and pads and all that kind of gear that you expect from the Otterbox range. So let's have a quick look at it here, show you what it looks like. We've picked the colour to match our phone, as you can see, which is pretty nice. So let's take a closer look. It's got softer edges, so which is nice, which I like. You've got your buttons on the side. So we'll zoom in so you can have a look at that, so you can see there. And then on the far side you've got our box and your button there. This is the back where your camera will be. And down here on the bottom is where your ports are for your charging and your speakers and all that kind of stuff. So that's basically what it looks like in the hand. It looks really well. So let's pop it in the device. And that's what it looks like there. So we'll take a look around the front, and you can see there is plenty of room there and a nice lip. Still enough room to put a screen protector on. You can put your device down like so. There's your camera area at the back and your ports at the bottom. Let's have a look at the buttons. And no problems there. Nice and tactile. And we'll just unlock. And that's pretty much it. So let's take a closer look there. So there you can see what's going on. No problem at all. Your buttons again at the side, and you can see then you've got a nice lip on the front, and of course down on the bottom you have access to your ports. All keys work fine. So let's check for MagSafe, and we'll pop it on, and there you go, it's charging. No problem at all. You can hear the noise. Sometimes that little icon comes up, not all the time. But that's your MagSafe there. We'll have some MagSafe cases coming and more iPhone 14 Pro stuff as well. So that's pretty much it. So it works, which is the main focal point, and that's pretty much it. Some cases can be too thick and they mightn't work, so it's always best to check them out or look for reviews previously before you buy. I've come across some instances where cases didn't work because they were too thick, but this one does, even though it's not got the MagSafe built into it itself, but it'll still work through with a MagSafe compatible charger, wireless charger like so. And that's really about it, and I'm gonna run you about 35 quid, coming a wide variety of colours, and that's basically it. But that's called the Don't Even Choi Brown for the iPhone 14 Pro from Otterbox. See you in the next video.